Hey, how's it going, everybody? Yes, I am Twilight Trink 143's son. This is not a clickbait video like half the videos are on YouTube nowadays. But anyways, drop my Instagram a follow since, I'm the reason why we're here. And let's get this shit started. Alright, so I'm going to use the force right here. Grab this shit, and I'm just going to put a dot of it over my eyes and use a butt plug to smear it in. Next, I'm going to take some baby powder and I'm going to put it on my eyes. It's funny, I complain about having dry eyes, but I put powder and all this stuff near my eyes. So really, who's blamed for that? Alright, so next I'm going to do the same thing I just did, blend it in. I'm going for a real clown look here because, clowns are very in. So we just want to make our eyeballs very profound and show off the shape of our eyeballs, the spherical shape. Alright. And we're just gonna keep doing that. Alright, and then I'm gonna take this gold stuff and put it in the middle of my eye. No real reason, just because. Alright, so we're just gonna do that. I'm gonna take the ass emoji and the penis emoji and just fan my face down, and then we're just gonna do the same thing I just did for the last 4 steps because we're trying to hit that 10-minute mark for that ad revenue. Am I right, YouTube? Quality content on YouTube nowadays, am I right, boys? Alright, so just going to wipe my eyes right here because I don't like how it looks. Okay, and then I'm going to use a paintbrush I stole from my husband to just do that. And then I'm going to take my toenail clippers and clip my eyelashes. Next, I'm going to draw a line on my eyebrow here, or that's not the eyebrow, the eyelash. Alright. And I'm going to speed up the process because it took about 20 minutes. Okay, next I'm going to spike up my eyelashes so that they don't get into our eyes. Next, I'm going to take fake eyelashes and put them on top of my real eyelashes. And then I'm going to take some of this lotion here and just spread it on my face. Alright, and then I'm going to take this and put little turds on my face and blend it in for that real smooth skin look. Alright, and I'm gonna keep doing that. Alright, I'm going for a real football look here, so now a real tribal look. Alright, then we're just gonna take the butt plug again and just pat it down, and I'm gonna show 30 seconds of this clip because we're trying to get that 10-minute mark, YouTube quality content. Alright, next I'm gonna take some of this cocaine and just spread it on my eyes to save it for later. Alright, and the bottom of the eyelash, we're going to do the same at the top, because what you got to do to one side, you must do to the other. Shout out to my elementary school teachers for teaching me that. Alright, next we're going to spike the bottom of our eyelashes to, show that there's, eyes there, I guess. And then we're just going to scrub our cheeks. I'm going for a real Michael Jackson nose look here, so just do that. And then my neck has been itching, so I'm just going to scratch it real quick. Next, I'm going to take some more cocaine. Shout out to the plug. And I'm just going to put it on there and save it for later. Alright, next, we're going to take some blush here and put it on our cheeks because people want to look like dolls. Okay. And next, I'm going to take this other palette and do the exact same thing I just did. Alright. Next, we're going to take this ube kind of color and we're gonna put it in the middle of our eyes because I'm going for that I just woke out of bed look, and I want those eye boogers there, Next, we're just gonna scrub our cheeks again, and my eyes are really wide for some reason when I do that. Okay, next I'm going to do the same thing to the other cheek. Okay, and now I'm just going to scrub my mustache, and then we're going to go for a fake Kylie Jenner lip look, so we're just going to put it all over our lips here, and we're just going to take some Vaseline and just put it on our lips again. And congratulations, you got dressed up to go absolutely nowhere. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah.
Oh yeah, Mom. Oh, it's so I hope you enjoyed today's video and found it entertaining. Thank you again so much to my son Darren for recording the voiceover. We love and miss you, Ren, and we will see you soon. Hopefully around the holidays. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a like. Give it a like for Darren. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I would love for you to be a part of the Chicky crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Have an amazing, wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.